Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing my September favorites. So if you want to see what products I chose for this month, just keep on watching. So first product I have is the Metamorphosis lip oil. So this was actually sent to me. They're so nice. I have the other ones somewhere behind me. They also do have a lip plumper in this line, and they have them in like various colors. So I did go ahead and choose one lip oil because this is the one that I've used so far, but I have to say I've really loved the formula of this lip oil. And you guys know I own a lot of lip balms. If you guys saw my declutter, I've talked about it in collection videos. I just talk about it in general. I buy a lot of them from the Dollar Tree, but I have to say this is like a high quality lip oil. It doesn't feel sticky on the lips. It doesn't give you that gooiness to the lips. It smells amazing, and again, they come in various colors, so you just choose whatever you like. This one here is in Nopalitos, and it is like this beautiful, almost like a slimy green kind of color, and I love it. I did also use it in a recent video on my Instagram, my get ready with me for work video, which is going to be down below if you want to watch. But I did go ahead and use it on camera so you guys could see how it looks, but I want to be using these a whole lot. But again, if you want to pick up some of your own, check out their website. But yeah, this is so nice, and again, I just love the greeny slimy color. I don't know what it is. I love that it comes with a big doe foot applicator, and they're also really inexpensive. I think they're only like $8.99, but again, it just smells so good, like a candy. Again, if you want to support a small business, Metamorphosis girl, they got you. They have so many high quality products for so inexpensive. They're amazing. This product I have here is from Revolution, yet another product that was sent to me. I don't get a lot of PR, but when I do, I love to talk about the products that I love, obviously to support the brand, but also because I actually have been really loving this product. This is the Revolution Baby Tint Lip and Cheek Tint. Looks like so. You guys also saw this in action on Instagram, but I think I also did a video here on YouTube using this. This one here is in the shade Fuchsia, and it's just such a beautiful color. I love the little doe foot applicator as well, and again, it's just a multi-use kind of product. You can use it on your cheeks, which I did on my Instagram. You can use it on your lips, you can use it on your eyes, maybe it's an eyeshadow. You can literally use this for whatever you want, and it's just such a beautiful color, blends out beautifully, and it looks amazing on the lips as well. I didn't think it would translate nicely on the lips, but with a dark brown lip liner and this over top, looked amazing. It's just really nice. And also on the cheek, if you're using it as a liquid blush, it is going to feel like a gel kind of product. Blends in beautifully. It looks amazing throughout the day. Really love this tiny little product. I love it, and I want to see if they have other colors in these little lip tints. I have another cheek product. We have the LAKERAIN Beauty blush. This one here is from TEMU. I did recently use this. I've been using all these products. I always use all these products on my Instagram for my get ready with me for work videos, so I'm gonna have that link down below. I'm gonna create a playlist, but I did use this yesterday, and I've been using it so much off camera. But this is so beautiful. It's definitely giving Rare Beauty vibes, but the actual formula is really nice. Also, the color is just beautiful. I didn't want to swatch anything, but here I go swatching. This is stunning, and it blends out beautifully as well. It's just such a beautiful color. Also comes in various colors. On TEMU, they also have other products that come in this type of packaging, but that are like lip glosses. They have a bunch of other stuff, liquid highlights and stuff, but this one here is my favorite. And again, I'm gonna have a link down below if you want to check it out. But this is such a beautiful color, and the actual formula is amazing as well. Next, we have a liquid liner, which is the Artista liquid liner from A-Way Studio. You guys know I've talked about this so many times on my channel. Love this product, and I do have the green liner going on today. It's just such a perfect colored liner. I just love all their color liners on the site, and I just continue to purchase them because they're amazing. So this one here is the dark brown, but again, I do have the green. There's also a blue one, there's a purple, there's a black one, but I tend to reach for the colored liners the most from this line. They're just amazing. So if you haven't tried them, girl, they're so good. Once they get a little older, they do start to fray a little bit, so just keep that in mind. But once you buy a new one, it literally comes at a perfect point. Again, it's just perfect. You just shake it a little bit to get that pigment going. You throw it on, and it just goes on beautifully. Next product I've been using a lot these weeks is the SHEGLAM duo mascara. So I mentioned this in a SHEGLAM video recently, and they actually have one in waterproof, which is a green one, and then this one is just their normal mascara. Now it works the exact same way. You do get two different wands with this product. Let me untwist this. So basically you get two wands. This is supposed to be like the lengthening side and this is the voluminous side. So basically you get both, and it's amazing because I actually do use both on the eyes, and it just creates the most just like visible lashes for me, because when I use something that's not too great, you can barely see my lashes, girl. With all the falsies that I wear, my real lashes are not as, I don't know, as great as I want them to be. So when I use this product, they're definitely going to be visible. They're going to stand out, especially because I don't wear lashes to work. This is what I go with. So amazing. But again, they also do have the waterproof, which is also really good, just hard to remove, girls. So I just want something quick and easy to throw on, and this is what I've been using. It's so good. Another thing I've been gravitating towards is this primer, which I didn't think about. Like, I kind of just forgot about it. This is a City Color Clear Canvas Primer. So this is basically feels like water when you use it. If you guys remember when I purchased this a long time ago, I did a full face of City Color. This is actually a really good primer. So basically it looks like water when it comes out. It's meant to hydrate, firm, it's meant to brighten and smooth. It does firm the skin, so when you throw it on, it's like liquidy, so you blend it in and it firms the skin, so it makes it a little more tight, a little more, I don't know how to explain it, almost like a skincare product. It just makes it better when the makeup goes on. I don't know, I've just really been enjoying it. I don't know what kind of magic they have in here. It's actually a really great primer, and it's really inexpensive as well. Physicians Formula lip gloss. This is a diamond plumper mineral wear lip plumper from, again, Physicians Formula. Really love the packaging. I think that's like what draws me to it the most, but I just love wearing it. It just feels really nice on the lips. It smells amazing. It doesn't give you so much tingling that's unbearable. It's just a really nice, like, slight tingling to the lips, nothing crazy at all, but it just gives you the most like voluminous looking lips, and they just look stunning. And it's not very like sticky or anything. It's not like grimy or whatever. It's just nice. It's a nice product, and I've definitely been using it a lot, especially at work. It's just really nice and comfortable. I have the shade Light Pink Princess Cut. This is just the one that I like, and then I noticed that they also have some liquid lipsticks in this line as well, which I really want to try. Let me know if you have it in the comments down below, but I really have been loving this color. It looks so good. Next we have a blush. This is a NOZO blush from TEMU. Such a beautiful color. I mentioned it, hopefully not in a different favorites video, but I mentioned it quite a few times on my like TEMU videos and stuff. This is such a perfect like everyday color, and it goes amazing with the LAKERAIN liquid blush. Stunning. I also did use them together yesterday for a video, so you guys will see that down below, but this is just the perfect pinky wearable blush. Stunning. And it also does come in various colors, but the actual formula is amazing as well. Wears beautifully throughout the day. This one also does give you a little bit of luminosity. It is not a matte blush, so when it goes on the face, it just looks nice and luminous and almost natural vibes. It's just so beautiful. So definitely have been enjoying this product. And another NARS dupe that they have on the site is this powder. This is the NSNS pressed powder in the shade, not sure, I think it's like medium or something, but literally looks like NARS vibe. So really love this as well. I did use this in that same video, and it just gives me such a matte skin. Like whenever I'm not wanting that luminous skin, you know, situation, I want my makeup to last, especially for work, this is what gets the job done. So that I use this on the under eyes, I use it for all over the face. It's a multi-use product. Really love it, and it's really easy to throw on, and it doesn't look super stark white on my under eyes or anything. So good. Love it. And last product from my favorites is this is Profusion Ethereal palette. So I did use this twice this last week that I did my get ready with me for work. Amazing. It's just such a nice quality. I love this one here, but I also love the green version. They're just both such great formulas, and Profusion, honestly, they're very underrated for me and my radar. I don't know, like I never really think about Profusion, except like I'm so happy that I purchased these palettes. So yeah, again, this is the ethereal one. It comes with more purple shades in here, some blues, but you also do get those everyday tones. It's just stunning, and the actual shimmer shades are super beautiful in here as well. So really love this palette. Also, I think it retails for like $10 or something. So good. So that was it. That was the last product that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Let me know if any of these favorites are your favorites right now. Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.